Welcome back to Healthy Horizons, your go-to destination for natural health and wellness. Today, we're cracking open the truth about a humble yet powerful food that often goes unnoticed: chestnuts. Whether roasted over an open fire or blended into delicious dishes, chestnuts are not only tasty but packed with incredible health benefits. So sit back, relax, and let's explore why this underrated nut deserves a place in your diet. When we think of nuts, almonds, walnuts, and cashews usually steal the spotlight. But chestnuts are quite different from the rest. Unlike other nuts that are high in fats, chestnuts are low in fat and rich in complex carbohydrates. In fact, they have a nutritional profile more like a grain than a nut, making them unique and beneficial in ways you might not expect. Let's break it down, benefit by benefit. First off, chestnuts are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, providing a slow and steady release of energy. This makes them ideal for athletes needing sustained fuel, diabetics managing blood sugar levels, anyone avoiding the sugar crash that comes with simple carbs. Unlike white bread or processed snacks, chestnuts have a low glycemic index, which means they help stabilize blood sugar without spiking insulin. Chestnuts are a rich source of dietary fiber, especially insoluble fiber, which plays a vital role in promoting healthy digestion, preventing constipation, supporting a balanced gut microbiome. Fiber also helps you feel fuller for longer, so if you're trying to manage your weight, chestnuts are a great snack option that won't derail your goals. Chestnuts may be low in fat, but the little fat they do contain is mostly heart-healthy unsaturated fat. Even better? They're rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure, maintain proper heart rhythm, reduce the risk of stroke. Just a handful of chestnuts can go a long way in supporting a healthy cardiovascular system. Chestnuts are also bursting with antioxidants like vitamin C, gallic acid, ellagic acid, and tannins. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals, reduce inflammation, lower the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer and cognitive decline. And get this, chestnuts are one of the few nuts that contain vitamin C. That's rare and extremely beneficial, especially for your immune system and skin health. Inside every chestnut, you'll find minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, copper, and manganese, all of which are essential for building and maintaining strong bones, supporting nerve and brain function, enhancing memory and concentration. Copper, in particular, helps with iron absorption and the production of collagen, keeping your bones and skin in top shape. For those with gluten intolerance or celiac disease, chestnuts offer a delicious and naturally gluten-free alternative. Chestnut flour can be used in breads, cakes, pancakes, even pasta. It's a nutritious swap that doesn't sacrifice flavor or texture. That vitamin C we mentioned earlier? It's key for strengthening your immune system, especially during flu season or times of stress. Combined with minerals like zinc and antioxidants, chestnuts help your body fight off illness and stay resilient year-round. So how can you enjoy these nutritional powerhouses? Here are a few simple ways: roasted, classic and cozy, especially in winter. Boiled, soft and easy to digest, great in soups or stews. Pureed, as a base for soups, sauces, or spreads. Baked goods, use chestnut flour for a sweet, nutty flavor. Salads and stir-fries, add chopped chestnuts for extra texture and nutrition. Just remember, always cook chestnuts before eating. Raw chestnuts contain tannins that can be hard to digest and even toxic in large quantities. Did you know? Chestnut trees are not only beneficial for your health, they're also great for the planet. They require minimal pesticides, enrich the soil, and support biodiversity. Choosing chestnuts means choosing a more sustainable, eco-conscious food source. So there you have it, chestnuts might be small, but they pack a mighty nutritional punch. From gut health and heart support to immune defense and brain function, they're a natural superfood worth adding to your pantry. If you've never given chestnuts a try, now's the perfect time. Let us know in the comments, have you ever tried chestnuts? What's your favorite way to enjoy them? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Healthy Horizons for more natural health insights every week. Until next time, take care of your health, naturally.